Hey, business owners, stop guessing and start cashing in. Here's how to decide between Google Ads and Google Local Service Ads without flushing another dime down Google's money pit. I'm Ryan Salson from Accelerate Marketing. For 16 years, we've lived inside Google's ad ecosystem, turning clicks and calls into cold, hard profit for service businesses just like yours. Stick with me for the next few minutes and you'll walk away knowing exactly which platform will put more book jobs and more money in your pocket. First, let's talk prime real estate. Google Ads show up as text ads or image extensions, powerful, but they still fight beneath the map and organic results. Local service ads, they jump the line, perched right at the top with the shiny green Google Guaranteed badge. If visibility is king, LSA or Google Local Service Ads is wearing the crown. Now, the way you pay, traditional Google Ads charge every time somebody clicks, whether they become a customer or just bounce. With Local Service Ads, you only pay when an actual lead, call, message, or booking request lands in your lap. That means less budget bleed and more predictable cost per job. Let's hit trust and intent. LSAs showcase your stars, reviews, and the guarantee badge right in the ad. Prospects see proof before they even click. Google Ads rely on your copywriting mojo and landing pages to build credibility after the click. If your reviews scream 5 stars, Google Local Service Ads amplifies that with social proof instantly. Next, lead quality and workflow. Google Ads funnel traffic to a landing page. You need tight copy, a fast site, clear calls to action, and tracking pixels dialed in. Local service ads drop prospects straight into a phone call or message thread. No website required. Perfect if you want the phone ringing now and you've got a solid intake process in place. Setup and control differ too. Google Ads launch fast. Pick keywords, write ads, set bids, and go. Local service ads demand insurance certificates, background checks, license, verification, and category approvals. It's paperwork up front, but once you're in, competition narrows and cost per lead often plummets. Finally, budget and scale. Google Ads let you target unlimited keywords, geographies, and audiences. Great for expansion, but easy to blow budget if you're sloppy. Local service ads cap daily spend based on vertical and area, so you can't outspend the platform, but you can dominate your category efficiently. All right, quick recap. Need broad reach, granular control, and are willing to master landing pages? Google Ads are your playground. Want pay-per-lead pricing, instant trust markers, and phone-ready prospects? Local service ads are your fast track to book calls. Ready to squeeze every book job out of either platform? Please text the word audit to 619-304-5155 and let's make your phones explode in a good way. We'll do a free audit for you, no questions asked, quick and easy, and we'll let you know how close you are to getting these type of leads. All right, thanks.